Vitamin C has remarkable anti-aging and replenishing effects on the skin, but you don't need to drink tons of orange juice to look great. MD3 Vitamin C 25% potent anti-aging serum is the strongest vitamin C isosorbic acid skincare formula available with 25% concentration and low pH. The serum works to stimulate cell renewal and the production of both collagen and elastin. This helps to heal aging or some damage and allows you to achieve healthier, radiant, and more youthful skin. Vitamin C also plays an important role in tissue hydration and lubrication, making it one of the world's best moisturizers. MD3 Vitamin C 25% potent anti-aging serum is a defense against environmental aging factors, neutralizes free radical damage, and protects against oxidative stress, improves skin color and lightens tone, protects skin against UV exposure, hydrates and moisturizes. Add zest to your regular beauty regime by using the power of Vitamin C's antioxidant qualities to firm, smooth, and revive your skin. Shop today and discover why thousands of men and women are using MD3 Vitamin C 25% potent anti-aging serum to feel healthier and look younger.